everyone who falls outside the neurotypical spectrum. And I assumed I would have to work with a green screen. When I walked in, I had a TED Talk platform. So Nolan facilitated that. So this place is sort of ambiguous. It's nothing, but it's everything. It sort of becomes whatever is required at that point at the moment. So yeah, Drumbox is absolutely my favorite place to kind of elaborate what's ever on my mind at a given point. So Drumbox is the place, absolutely, no exceptions.
What is it about Drumbox? Because you did videos on YouTube and stuff. You got a camera phone, obviously. You could just take it straight to the people. But why, like, is there something about it?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Atelston, Fitzgerald, holder the first. Yeah.
And the last.
Yeah, and the last.
Yeah.
Well, you have not seen the last of me.
No.
Look how sweet I look. Mark, kiss myself. How if I send a kiss and look at myself simultaneously? Concurrent kiss. At myself. Where the bitch is at?
Oh, I don't know. It's kind of late.
Okay, so let's talk about